You take away Twilight from everyone's mind forever, but you make 50 Shades have 3 more books. Your gender changes, but you cannot touch yourself. You live in a world where you rule, but you can never speak to the first person that pops up when you hit share, then more. You get to do anything to anyone you want for 1,000 years, but you go to hell every Wednesday. You can have the best voice in the world, but you have to hit the follow button. You receive ultimate knowledge of the universe and the reason for life, but this knowledge sends you into a deep depression.